sílabos. Welcome to Web TV, a production of Sila Broadcasting Network.
Buenos días, Sila familia, y bienvenidos al noticiero Web TV.
I am Luis.
Y yo soy Francisco.
Happy Tuesday, January 16th.
Feliz martes 16 de enero. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge of allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, for liberty and justice for all.
Please welcome Aliyah for the weather.
Good morning, Wolves. It's 39 degrees and rainy right now. This afternoon, it's going to be 44 degrees and cloudy conditions are expected this afternoon. Now back to our host.
Thanks for the weather update.
Please welcome Samantha for the lunch menu.
Today's lunch menu is beef or cheese, nachos, Fiesta black beans, sweet kernel corn, and a variety of fruits. Now back to our hosts.
Yesterday, we honored Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Day.
Due to technical difficulties, we will have a video in his honor for tomorrow.
We thank you for your patience.
Today's passage affirmation is,
I can persevere things when things get hard. I am Luis.
yo soy Francisco. Have a great day, Sila Wolves.
¡Hasta luego!
Chop, chop, lollipop. In an hour, sunflower. Gotta run, skeleton. Bye.